The mission at Vimeo is really to drive and power the world's largest private video distribution platform. Data is an incredibly important asset for us to be able to operate efficiently. The rapid scale of Vimeo's growth, along with acquisitions and a more hybrid workforce in a post-pandemic era, was really a key driver for us to have a more disciplined understanding of the performance across our engineering organization.
One of our biggest pain points was trying to get a centralized hub where we could access and visualize data very easily across the levels of hierarchy within Vimeo. We work in silos a lot, and so we had data specifically in different applications and tools, and we didn't have it in a single place to look at.
It was very manual. We had to do a lot of work, and it was very time consuming for us to collect this data and try to figure it out. Also, the credibility wasn't 100%, so we couldn't always trust it.
We were making many decisions based on gut and based on anecdotes. So it was really clear to us that we needed one single source of truth. The solution we were looking for was a centralized hub where we would be able to visualize our velocity, our quality, our PR cycle time, as well as our ability to deliver on our roadmap and ensure that we are making progress towards our goals.
Some of the key things that were really important to us was the ability for tools to seamlessly integrate with the existing process that we have, the existing tools that we have, and the existing workforce that we have.
We were able to see value from Faros AI within a couple of weeks. It was easy to implement. It was easy to hook up our sources into Faros AI, and it was very easy to build our dashboards.
When we got Faros, everything became very easy. We could just, in the click of a button, see all the metrics of all the teams, compare it easily, move between the time frames, compare queues, compare goals, and have a clear baseline for everyone.
We started using Faros AI specifically for DORA metrics, but what we found very quickly is that Faros was able to easily adapt with our adapting metrics as well. We wanted to look at metrics for security, we wanted to look at metrics for our quarterly delivery rates, and we were able to quickly build this within Faros and create reports and dashboards that gave us exactly what we were looking for.
The most important feature of Faros for me, and it's a game changer for me, it's the delivery metrics that is analyzing each sprint. It really gives me a quick and deep look into what is happening every sprint. It gives me a clear view of the planning and the execution, and it's very, very, very easy to conclude things out of it and to do better.
Faros has become an essential part of the way we do our daily work at Vimeo in our engineering teams.
The significance of having time back from doing manual work and to just looking at a dashboard is major. Every minute of hands-on work that I or the engineering managers can get is priceless for me.
The utilization of systems like GitHub Copilot and the adoption factor within our engineering org has been an incredibly exciting thing to keep a close eye on. Leveraging Faros has been incredibly helpful in that regard because, again, we can correlate utilization to performance and delivery metrics. I think the best part about using Faros AI, from my perspective, within the engineering org is the time saved and the value back. From my end, looking at it in terms of organizational health on a reoccurring, even weekly basis is incredibly helpful. Looking at it from a quarterly planning perspective and understanding how we fared out in the previous quarters and how we can take that insight into the next quarter planning is very helpful.
Since we've been using Faros, it helped us reach our new targets and the new delivery metrics that we set for ourselves.
Since using Faros, we have seen improvements in our lead times. We have got better visibility to all our metrics within a centralized hub, as well as we're able to understand our adoption and usage of GitHub Copilot and other investments.
minimizing any overhead to obtain the data, I think just increases the amount of enthusiasm to want to utilize it.